Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. We're at Farm and Fleet. We're gonna see if we can find any amazing deals. I didn't prepare for this at all beforehand, so I don't know if there's anything good, but hey, we'll walk through and we'll look at clearance, see if we find anything. I still have a $50 gift card from back in the day when we did a video, and I bought a some kind of kit that gave you a $50 gift card afterwards. So I gotta spend some money eventually over here. Let's see what I got. Alright, starting out with some clearance stuff. Now at Farm and Fleet, they have a clearance aisle, and then each department will have like an end that is clearance stuff. So clearance items always end in either 88 cents or 44 cents, and they'll have this green tag. So if you're looking online, you're looking at 88 cents and 44 cent stuff. Nothing here looks crazy interesting. But you'll find stuff all the way down to 44 cents if it's that long enough. I don't know if there's some kind of schedule like other stores do, or every week they drop so much or anything like that, but see, it's normally $100 down to $70. Arctic Air Tower. Sold out, but they got the Pocket Fisherman, was $20 down to $12. There. Isn't that Ronco? Doesn't say that, it says Eaglewood, but little pillow pad. Nah. It's funny, they make it look like an old school work light. Couple of home goods, normally 80 down to 50 on the crock pot, 100 down to 88 on that one. KitchenAid digital countertop oven, normally 160 down to 103.88. Any of this stuff, if you can't see the barcode or the model number, just type it in on their search engine on their website. You'll be able to find it. Display, don't care. Stainless steel coffee maker, normally $100, $75. Normally $100, $78. Normally $189.99 down to $124.44. The Keurig is $40 off. The Long High, I don't know, $279.99 to $209.99. Even comes with that little piece of hair stuck to it, so that's good. Normally $70 down to $55 there. The mesh thing I think we saw in the other aisle, but it's down to $21 from $30. Got some solar yard light guys, normally $30 down to about $21. Those nail things don't work. I use a little cordless Dremel, it works really good on the dog's nails. I got the bug zappers from $30 down to $21. Some Bell & Howell lights, normally $50 down to $35 for those yard lights. Example of a clearance item that's gotten all the way down to 44 cents, the 72 count Juniper surface sanitation wipes, Sani wipes. We got a Johnny Apple peeler, normally $28 down to $15. It's probably too much still for this light, but maybe it goes down farther. Normally $40 down to $30. It's Bell & Howell. I think we could do better with Amazon deals though. On our way over to the tools section, I just wanted to point out as we pass the Toyland toy section. So Farm and Fleet only has toys around Christmas time, which means they try and get rid of them all. By the time Christmas is over, everything will start going on sale, going on clearance as we get closer and closer to Christmas. So if you're looking for toys, sometimes they have really good prices on stuff just because they want to get rid of it all. Got this loud performance tool screwdriver set, normally $37 down to $18.99. Well, the only thing I like about it is the little holder. If you're putting it on top of a bench or something, that would be pretty handy. Got the 2-pack of vice grips, normally $24.99 down to $14.69. It's like a 5-inch and a 10-inch. We have this 56-piece Milwaukee set, normally $190 down to $99.99. That's your model number. 3/8 drive, 13 standard, 14 metric, 11 deep, 25 deep, 3-inch, 6-inch extension, universal with the ratchet. $99 for that little kit. I mean, it's expensive, Milwaukee. As far as I'm concerned, all Milwaukee hand tools are overpriced, but if you're into them, it's a good price, and it's the same sale price that Home Depot currently has. Let's look at some gear wrench stuff. Normally $58 down to $29.99. 7-piece metric. Pretty basic ones though. It's the same thing with the SAE, it looks like. We have this big set. It says normally $89 down to $59, and then rewards members pay $55. It's a 20-piece set, both metric and SAE. It's not reversible, not flex head, not long or stubby, just regular. Regular, is that the best way to put it? It's regular. It's normal. A couple of deals on this flyer thing out here. When you purchase one qualifying M18 fuel kit or M18 red lithium battery 2-pack, you get one free. So it's the 2-pack of what looks like 5s. This deal's been going on, I think. And then we have, these are some free options, and then this other one, when you purchase one qualifying M12 bare tool or kit, you get the 6 free. Now I think the cutoff tool was a really good deal. I don't even see it in this picture. It was something, I can't remember if I posted it or I was going to, and then it was out of stock. I think it was this battery was out of stock actually. A couple of Milwaukee things on sale, $224 for the high torque impact, $149 for the surge impact, $174 for the compact router.
Bye, Milwaukee.
$129, and then let's see, $199, $174. It wasn't on. I wasn't recording at the time, but the guy that walked by, I think he was the one I was giving shit about being a Packer fan, because he was looking at the Packer stuff. See a little tool section clearance here. $19 for that light. Got some Coast stuff. Let's see, normally $40 down to $21 on that one. 710 lumen, 4 AA batteries included. This one doesn't show the price. Headlamp still $42. Jesus, no thanks. This DeWalt is $21, 350 lumen. Uses 4 AAA batteries. That one's already corroded. I wonder how long these have been sitting here. Blackfire Camp Light, normally $40 down to $28. 230 lumen. We'll breeze through a couple of DeWalt SKUs that are listed as clearance. Here's your model number on that one for the angle grinder at $329. $124 for the 3/8 impact. I think that's the same guy. The 4 amp hour battery, normally $149 down to $99. I hate buying individual batteries. I just buy them when they come as a free tool or whatever and sell off pieces I don't need. Here we have this kit. It's listed as $288.89, but it's $279 right at Lowe's right now. Now this one's actually available at Northern Tool for $250, so $189.88 there. That's your model number. Got some Milwaukee bit sets. A lot of this stuff is kind of available everywhere, just slight variations in what's out there, but a couple other things that are available everywhere, but I guess if other places sell out and you're interested, the Craftsman 20-volt drill kit's on sale for $59. You can also get the impact driver for $59. Looks like they have quite a few Craftsman things on sale, so if you're in that lineup, definitely worth either going to the store or checking out their website and seeing. They got a corded jigsaw, $44. Corded reciprocating saw, $59. $44 for the circular saw, $54 on the hammer drill. So this is the same deal that we saw at Lowe's, where the free Craftsman Bear tool when you buy the 4 amp hour battery kit. So you guys might remember I bought a couple of those in the last Lowe's video, and it shows you can get the oscillating tool, the inflator, the task light, reciprocating saw, circular saw, jigsaw, sander, or angle grinder. Now when I got it at Lowe's, I got the cordless ratchet and I got the little job site radio. Doesn't look like options here. Have the cordless compact reciprocating saw kit with a battery, 2 amp hour, and the charger. Normally $249 down to $209. Here's some of those DeWalt shop stools. We got the caster one and the fixed leg one, whatever you want to call it. Normally $169.99 down to $99.99. Like a week ago we posted, I believe it was this exact SKU, at Tractor Supply for $89.99 and free shipping. I don't know if that's still in stock or if that sale's going on, but $10 more is not too bad. This Craftsman kit's a little bit better value than buying these individually. They're $59 each, or $99, and you get both and you're getting 2 batteries. It's not a bad price for this Craftsman set. Normally $99 down to $59.99. 83 piece. I mean, you're probably better off finding one of these $99 ones, but for something to keep in your car, something that's easy to travel with, it's not an awful value. Let's see. $269.99, I'm guessing that's what the arrow is. $269.99 down to $169.99. That's the 268 piece, but right now this one's $129 at Lowe's. See, the deformable lights are hitting more and more stores, on sale for $19.99. But this one, it's plastic, so it's not as good as the ones with aluminum. They'll dissipate the heat better, and it's also about $10 more than we can get them when I find Amazon promo codes. Well, alright guys, it looks like that's the end of the sale for Farm and Fleet. They weren't able to talk me out of my $50 gift card this time, but there's always next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.